So anyway, we've basically moved out of Studio Beta and Creator Classic Studio. Now all we have to work with is the new YouTube Studio. So here's some changes in YouTube Studio. First of all, they changed the name Videos to Content. So now your video manager is actually your content right here, where you can do everything in here. You can do all your editing. You can delete videos. You can monetize them. You can look at the analytics on them, blah, 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 so forth. They've now slid the playlists over. This is one of the final things that they did, and I did another video on that. But I want to go to the audio library. Now the audio library has been switched over into the YouTube Studio format, and so it's no longer in the old Creator Classic format. So basically it's the same thing. You get free music. You can get sound effects by clicking here. Gives you all these different sound effects that you can use. These are the ones that you starred that you liked. So you can go in here and use all of this, and you no longer have to constantly use the same tired jingles that you get in Final Cut Pro or iMovie or some of the other software that people use. And are, whenever I hear a video on TV and they've cut one of those jingles from Final Cut Pro, it just kind of it's like nails on a chalkboard. I really just don't like it. So what's nice about this is you've got all this new music that you can use, and it works pretty simply. If you want to play the audio track, you come here. Down here it's supposed to play, but for some reason it's not playing. There we go. All right, let's stop it. So that's, to give you an idea. If you want to download it, you just come over here and you click on this download, and it'll download onto your computer. What happens here is it goes right into my iMusic. So when I download something, it'll start playing in iMusic, and you're going to have to go in there and you're going to have to turn it off if you don't want to listen to it. But I mean, look at all the different videos that you've got. I mean, there's pages of them. There's one of 30. Let's see how many pages we can get. That's 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages, 7 pages, 8 pages. I mean, it just keeps going. 9 pages, 10 pages, 11 pages, 12 pages. So anyway, we're at 336 so far. So, I mean, there's a lot in here. Sound effects, the same thing. Let's take a look at them. So now, let's say you needed kids playing, right? Bam, here you go. Let's listen to it. Got to click here. It doesn't come on right away. Oh, there we go. So you need this background music, kids playing. Bam, you got it. You want to turn it off? Click here. And so you can just take a look at it. Look at all these different things. Now you can search too. What we want to do is search in the library. So we come here and we click search. So now let's say you want to get a shot. Let's see if anything comes. Oh, there's a pool shot. There's a Magnum shot. Let's hear what this sounds like. Bam! There you got your gunshot if you needed it first. Let's turn that off because that's kind of annoying. There's a whole bunch of other ones. There's a M4 shot, long rifle, laser gun. I mean, let's listen to the laser gun. There you go. If you're making a science fiction movie, bam, there you go. You're ready to go. So this is super cool. This is a super cool thing that YouTube's done. And you know what? You don't have to worry about copyright. I constantly have these trolls that will take and do these loops from music that comes from Final Cut Pro or some other places that are free that you're supposed to be able to use, and then you get this copyright warning because what they're trying to do is hijack your monetization. So now they can't do that because bam, here you go, you got all this free music. So use it because it's much it's much better than having to do these copyright claims all the time. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with YouTube. Peace out.